Hi friends, welcome to my channel. For more Python tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Today in this video, I am going to tell about how to convert string to lowercase in Python. Okay, first open a Python terminal. It is very simple to convert a capital letter string to a lowercase string. First here I am going to define a string. It is a combination of capital letters and small letters. Okay. Equal string hello. We can see here H L O. These are capital letters, and here I am going to convert this the full string is converted to the lowercase. In Python, there is an inbuilt function lower. It is very simple. Okay. The name of the variable that we declare the capital letter string. Okay, cap dot the inbuilt function lower. Execute. Now I am going to print that variable low. You can see the full string is converted to small letter using the inbuilt function lower. It is very simple in Python to convert the capital letter string to lowercase string. Okay, hope you guys get how to convert a capital letter string to lowercase in Python. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.